Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, faculty, parents, and most importantly, to my fellow graduates. Thank you all for being here today to celebrate this significant milestone in our life. We are all happy for this celebration, but this time, it is not just the end, but the beginning of our future and more experience we may encounter in life for our future. Our theme for this graduation is about the generation of unity, partners for the new Philippines, or Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, kaagapay sa bagong Pilipinas. As a simple student, I can do more productive things through cooperation, not only for ourselves, but for our country also. This team emphasizes the different things like to build, to connect, and to transform. To build, it reflects how we can do things more possible. To connect, it reflects how we can cooperate with each other for our country. And to transform, it reflects the different good changes we can do for the new Philippines through unity. Generation of unity reflects that we are stronger when we are stand together and support each other for everyone's success. Unity is about respect, cooperation, and understanding. So, as a simple student, I can do more possible good things. So, as a simple student, it is important to respect our neighbor, cooperate with the different programs that are related to our country, and to understand the different things for the growth of ourselves as well as for the good of our country. Being citizen of our nation, we are the partners for the new Philippines for the development and progressive. So, as a simple student, I can do more possible good things, and each of us can also do good things by building up self-confidence for ourselves. Because having self-confidence is the key to success for a better future. So, as I end my speech, I abide in the saying, alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. So, let's spread the unity for ourselves and for the progressive of the Philippines. I am Princess Alay Legarte, graduate of class 2025. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Kami po ay buong pusong nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng panauhin, mga magulang ng mga batang nagsipagtapos, mga nagkaloob ng kanilang mahahalagang tulong upang mabigyang katuparan at tagumpay ang palatuntunang ito at higit sa lahat sa ating buong may kapal. Ang pagtatapos ay naganap na. Isang yugto ng inyong buhay ang nagsara sa